Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the voice of Victor right here, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process involved in generating these 3D AI images that are showing on your screen right now. Have you been seeing these AI images on the internet and you are wondering how do they generate this? Then this video is for you. Okay, so you need to stay with me till the end of this video, because at the end of this video you are going to learn how to generate these 3D AI images that are showing on your screen right now without paying anybody a dime. You're going to learn everything for free. Okay, so if you are new here, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time I post new videos. And if you're a returning viewer, don't forget to drop your comment, smash the like button, and share this video with friends and loved ones and even strangers. Okay, all right, without wasting much of our time, let's head straight into the business. Okay, so I'm just going to go over to my browser. I am using Google Chrome. I'm going to go over to the search box and then type in Microsoft Bing. All right, and then once it's finished loading, what I'm going to tap on is this image creator right here under this www.bing.com. Just tap on image creator. Okay, if you've not created anything yet, you've not registered with them, they're going to ask you to put in your Gmail and all of that, so you're just going to put it in. All right, so what we're going to do is just to come over to this box and you're going to type in your prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to put the prompt in the description section. All right, so just go to the description of this video. You're going to see the prompt there. So what I'm going to do is just to go over and copy the prompt right now. All right, so I've pasted the prompt right here. We are going to tell the Microsoft Bing to create a 3D illustration featuring a realistic 20-year-old beautiful young boy busy writing a code okay, a code on a chair. Okay, let's just say busy writing a code with his laptop sitting on a chair in front of a 3D logo of Facebook. The character should have green and white pants, coat and tie, with sneakers, shoes, and with glasses. The background of the image should showcase a Facebook social media profile page and the username Victor Joseph and a matching profile picture and modify it. So you're just going to click on create and then you wait a little bit. It's going to take a little time. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time I post valuable videos such as this. And if you are enjoying your view already, smash the like button, smash that like button now and drop your comment in the comment section below so that I can get to create more videos for you. Okay, so it's loading. All right, so it's done loading and this is what we've got. Let's click it one after the other. Wow, this is awesome, right? This is awesome, exactly what we asked it to generate. So I'm just going to go over, click and hold it down and then click on download image. All right, so look at the next one. You just swipe to the left or to the right, then you click and hold it down and then download. Swipe again, click and hold it down and download. Okay, wow, these are beautiful. These are very, very beautiful images. Okay, all right, so this is what we've got right here. So you can do that for yourself and use for your social media handle. Thank you for staying around till the end of this particular video. If you have not subscribed, quickly do that before you leave and drop your comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video if you really got value. Thank you so much for staying around till the end. I remain my humble self, the creativity. All right, see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.